It's dazzling, isn't it? We're going to do this. This is my makeup. The noodles are also the kind of screenshots saved at a glance, which is really good. Beauty must have a try. Before makeup, I will spray the spray first and have a chance. My face. If so, today is a more conventional star powder painting, and then I plan to mention it after painting eye makeup. Liang, because I also prefer eye makeup, I will tidy it up later. In the noodles, just put them all after makeup. I repaired my double eyelids and the lines drawn seem to be very good. I'm so sorry. The eyebrows are still quite delicate this time. First, gently fill the empty part with this color. Is this makeup a very retro transparent pink? For eyeshadow, I chose to use this peach color, which is not very good. Suitable for you to see this kind of self-contained moisture. Fine fog. Flash dip the point with your hand and press it on the eyelids. Dong Kanzashi, please. Today, I will start from this level of effect very seriously. And this color is still a little apricot, but there is that orange-red makeup feel and the overall makeup effect is very light. Plus this flash is that kind of very clear and delicate, just like angel tears. It is very beautiful when it is dynamic. Later, clip this eyelash or use a black glue pen. Make up the gap between the eyelashes. My eyelashes are directly off. Please open them with a brown glue pen. I'll stick with this for a second and will stand guard if I don't spray next time. Brush every week in seconds. If the eyelashes and eyelashes are mixed with these two, I feel it's okay. I'm here again without makeup. It's just that I didn't have any memory when I shot it. I checked it directly and I didn't know. I was very excited about the painting there, and then I just... No makeup, and then only draw inner eyeliner first. Please share how to draw this upturned eyeliner. Take a look, in fact, my double eyelid folds are longer, right? It's actually going to be a little weird if the tail is upturned here, so let's start a little bit above the end of the eye here. My own habit is to do this first. Flat. Draw and start filling in this top. This triangle. He did a little bit on the double pleats, but it didn't matter. It's just one. Take a look. This is a very neat kind of upper eyeliner, if you say. If you think this double eyelid waxing color looks better, we can use double eyelid stickers and partial double eyelid stickers. Just hold it up a little bit. Take a look at the complete plain face straight eyeliner is still very good. Altered eye shape. Take a look at the approximate shape. Then we'll trace it with black eyeliner at 11 o'clock if you want to talk to him if you want him. And with the fleas, we're going to deepen the top part of the circle. Wait a minute, because I just... Eat a whole root of leather, oily dung, and the white noodles taste very delicious. After that, I don't know why. the band of skin around the chin. If you put on this pink and white, it will bounce a little bit. Measure the whole face expansion to light it up in this forehead part. Ours is slightly matte highlight. Pink it, this part is mainly the eye socket. Press it here and then set this highlight. "3535, I also want to ask this really. Just sweep the first floor. If it is enough, it will be very tender. Like this kind of fine sparkle, the face will have that kind of watery feeling and it will be more translucent. You see, the eyebrow bone, I will also apply a little bit of makeup, and the details of the whole will be more delicate. This is my mouth, which is too delicate, and my lips are very delicate. Thick, I'm going to make it smaller and make it again. Naked apricot. I'm going to change my eyeballs and get my hairstyle now. I think this hairstyle is difficult, I'll try it. Nothing. You're safe. Wait for me, Tama. Rambut.